In a small town nestled beside a sparkling river, lived a young girl named Lily. She was known for her gentle heart and the kindness she showed to everyone she met. One day, a new boy named Tom moved into town. He was shy and often kept to himself, feeling lost in a place so different from his old home. Lily noticed Tom sitting alone during recess and decided to approach him. "Hi, I'm Lily," she said with a warm smile. Tom looked up, surprised. "I'm Tom," he mumbled. Lily invited him to join her and her friends. They played games and shared stories, and for the first time since moving, Tom felt like he belonged. As days turned into weeks, their friendship grew stronger. They explored the woods together, built forts by the river, and shared secrets under starry nights. One afternoon, Tom confessed that he was struggling with his schoolwork. Lily, without hesitation, offered to help him study. They spent hours together, and with Lily's encouragement and patience, Tom began to excel. Word of their friendship spread throughout the town, inspiring others to be kinder and more inclusive. The town became a much happier place, filled with laughter and mutual support. Lily and Tom learned that true power lies not in strength or wealth, but in the bonds of friendship and the simple acts of kindness. They continued to support and uplift each other, proving that even the smallest gestures can make a world of difference. Their story became a reminder to everyone that kindness and friendship are the most valuable treasures one can possess. From that day forward, the town was known not only for its sparkling river, but also for the warmth of its people. Lily and Tom's friendship shone like a beacon, lighting the way for others to follow.